Then second time during the multiplication of the loaves of bread and fish, when Jesus asks him to get food, and he says even the 200 days of work will not be sufficient to feed these people. And third time when Philip brings Nathanael to Jesus, and the fourth time is here today when Philip is asking Jesus to show the Father. And we see Jesus rebukes Philip because Jesus is a little bit he feels sad because although Jesus is with them, he has spent some time with the apostles, and today Philip is asking Jesus to show the Father. He is saying, whatever I have done in the name of the Father, and Father has shown me. These works which he has done also he has been doing through the power of the Abba, Almighty Father.